This is the default music that came with it. I'm stupid, I'm sure you can hear that in the background. So let me go back in and do what I just did. Add event alarm 0, um, 60 alarm 0, right? Oh god. Great. Okay. 60 for alarm 0. Go to 0 to 60 and then for alarm 0, go here, create the bomb, hit OK. Now it should work. Let's see. I think it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, it is working now. It is adding bombs every few seconds. So everything works. I'm just stupid. I'm sorry. It's right now I'm running on a monster and a bag of Flame Hot Cheetos. So kind of whatever. It's working. I'm happy. I have a sigh of relief. This is good. Good news. I'm just a dumb. That's all I am. I'm just a dumb. So now we got the added bombs to work, and even if you click on the added ones, that was kind of loud, but it will still do this. As you can see, it is adding the bombs. So we are good on that. Everything's still bouncing. The bombs are being added. The game is more difficult the longer you go on for. As you can see, the bombs will just be added in all the random squares throughout the map, which makes the game a little harder each few seconds. So that's kind of the main thing that I wanted to add to the game to make it harder. Now, there is something else I would like to do. I actually have a custom-made game that has my own background, my own sprites, my own everything that I made. And it's kind of got a twist to it, which I'd like to add to this game to show you guys, because actually it makes the game a lot funner, in my opinion. Like, I actually, I actually go around and play the version that I made because I like it better. Is this the one? Yeah, okay, so this is the actual one that I made before. I think, right? Yeah, okay, so we can hit no. I recommend you save this now that we got everything to work. Let me make sure everything works one last time. Okay, good. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to have I need to run it one more time so I can explain it. What we're going to do is we're going to have it to where we're going to make it even harder. We're going to make it 10 times harder. As you can see, the objects are actually moving pretty fast. So if you were to go to click them, as of right now, even clicking the apple, it is kind of hard. It just makes it more challenging. The bananas, especially, they're really hard. As you can see, you can't really see right now. My points are racking up. So, we're going to make it to where if an apple collides with another apple, or if an apple collides with anything except for the bombs, it'll jump to a random position. So as you can see, like this apple right here, it's just going up and down. It'll keep going up and down until I click it. We're gonna make it to where if it runs into another object besides the wall, like if it runs into another fruit, it'll jump to a random position, just to make it even harder to click on them. Now, since this game is a lot bigger than my previous one, my other one is set to 640 by 480 resolution. This one's 1280 by 708 or whatever. So this one is a lot bigger and it has a lot more fruit, so it'll be even more hectic. And this might make my frames drop because there's a lot of shit on the screen right now. Like, a lot of stuff. Like, this is considered a lot of stuff just because everything is moving at once, and nothing besides the bombs are stopping. And even it's adding bombs, that makes it worse. As you can see, if you've played for this long, you can see how many bombs are on the screen now and how hard it would be to actually, get far in the game. So we're gonna go ahead and add for the apple. We have collision for the wall. We're gonna go ahead and add collision for other apples. We're gonna add collision for cherries. I'm gonna make it bounce. Or not, no, 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 no. What the hell am I? What the hell am I thinking? Apples, we're not gonna have it bounce. We're gonna have it jump to a random position. Same thing for cherries, jump to a random position. Add event collision with the banana, jump to a random position. Collision with a strawberry, jump to a random position. So now, if you go in here and you'll see the apples, they'll be jumping all over the place. You see how hectic that would be just to click on an apple? Every time it hits something besides a bomb in the wall, it teleports. Now, everything is going to do that except for the bombs. I might actually slow this stuff down a little bit just so it makes it a little easier, because right now it's almost impossible to hit anything. So, and this will strain your eyes a little bit, I'll admit. But I think it makes it more fun, it makes it more challenging. But I'm going to go ahead and do that for the rest of the objects. So this will take just a minute. Add a collision with other cherries and make it jump. Add collision for banana, make it jump. Add collision for strawberry. Oh, I almost dragged it. Strawberry, make it jump. Hit OK, hit save, and make sure it works. Now cherries and apples will be bouncing all over the place, as you can see. So there we go. Now those two work. Let's go for the bananas. Add event collision. And just do this for the rest of them. The next tutorial I'll make, I'll actually go through and remake it like sooner than I did this one, so I'll actually know what the hell I'm talking about, so I don't sound like a dumb throughout the entire thing. But I mean, I hope this did help you. I mean, I hope this gave you a little bit more of an insight to what you can do with Game Maker. I mean, even if this is the first tutorial, I hope this helped you guys a little bit. And if it didn't, that's fine. I'm sure there's other tutorials out there, I'm sure. So now that we got all the things to balance, this is going to be hectic. I'm going to full screen this so I can see it. Good luck hitting anything. Everything is bouncing off of everything. So, good luck with that. But it makes it more fun, like I said. Yeah, actually, I think I'm going to have it make 2 bombs every 3 seconds instead of just 1. So we're actually going to go back into object background sound. It's going to create the alarm 0 to 60. It's going to create an object. Then we're going to make another alarm 0. Can I not create a second one? Okay, well okay, so now we're going to set another alarm. I'm going to make this alarm 1. 60 steps. Gonna go over here, add alarm 1. I'm gonna set the alarm 0 to 60 for alarm 1, and it's gonna create another bomb. So now it's gonna create 2 bombs every 3 seconds or so, or every 2 to 3 seconds. Boom! There was 2 right here, 2 over here. That's to make it even more hectic. Like this is hell mode for this type of game. But this is actually pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. The other one, I might actually show you the other game that I made that's fully done. The next thing we need to do is we need to add sounds for each time you click on an apple. The game has a default sound, I guess I'll use. It's kind of annoying, but just to show you how to add sounds to each one of these. So, when you click on an apple, as of right now, let's go chase an apple down. They don't make any sound. The only thing that makes sound is bombs. And that's still loud as shit. Okay. So, what we're going to do is we're going to add a sound. Make it S&D. Click. I'm going to load the click sound. Here it is. Kind of annoying, I know, like I said, but we got to live with it because that's the only sound I have for it. I'm going to go into Object Apple. And when you click the left button, it's going to jump to a random position, set the score, and it's going to do this sound. So, if you go in here, we'll click on an apple real quick so I can show you. You can hear it in the background. And as of right now, that only works for the banana. So, cherry, left button, main one, yeah, main one, click, just do this for all of them real quick, banana, same thing, left button, oh, wrong one, sound click, loop on false. Alright, so now, save it. And if you run it, each time you click on a fruit, that annoying ass noise will show up. Banana. Or not banana, strawberry. Okay, cherry didn't work.